Pagirinya refugee settlement in northwestern Uganda district of Adjumani was formerly grassland and parts were forested. This scenario is replicated in other 8 refugee camps in the district, where 224,318 refugees from neighboring South Sudan have been resettled, according to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Trees are being cut down to create space for shelter, farmland, and wood fuel. Figures from Adjumani district local government indicate that over 15 million trees have been cut down since the latest refugee influx started in December 2013.
But if we concentrated ourselves on the current influx, a total of 10,350 acres of lands have been given to refugees, particularly for their activities.
Giyaya Charles, the district environment officer, says because of the degradation, the river system and small streams are drying up.
We are also experiencing the reduction in water levels underground, especially in the refugee setting, because there are a lot of boreholes that have been drilled, and I think apparently they are affecting the aquifer.
Last year, the region faced a prolonged dry spell, which led to low crop yields that pushed up the food prices. Some experts attribute this to the cutting down of trees. According to Mr. Giyaya, over 700 million shillings is needed annually to replace what had been destroyed.
You should be able to take it a step further so that it is established as a forest. Yeah, these farmers do not have the capacity to look after these trees up to when they are big enough. That is the challenge we have.
Titus Jogo, a government official in charge of refugee settlements in Adjumani district, says despite the setback, environmental protection must be scaled up.
But with this continuous influx, okay, that keeps us throughout into emergence, okay? We don't pay lots of attention to environmental intervention.
To overcome the challenge, government and other partners are striving to replace what has been destroyed by distributing seedlings to each refugee household once settled. Airo One Central Tree Nursery Bed has wood and fruit species that are distributed to refugees and host communities.
So we thought it wise to raise seedlings and support them so that they are able to plant trees to replace the one they cut. They take them for free. We give them freely. When they enter, they are settled, they are given plots. We start giving them fruit species. They run for pawpaw most. They like pawpaw most, followed by passion fruit and jackfruit.
Titus Jogo says after settling, households were given 10 trees to plant, but many were destroyed during the dry spell.
Most of these seedlings did what? Died. Okay? Those are interventions, those are efforts that we have made, but also natural calamity comes in and frustrates what? Frustrates us. Okay? Coupled with the negative attitude of refugees towards tree planting, more especially those which take long. Okay? So we have a gap there.
Adjumani District Environment Officer Giyaya Charles says out of the 11 million trees that have been destroyed, only 1 million have been planted. He believes the Uganda Solidarity Summit on Refugees will find a collective solution needed to fund projects aimed at protecting the environment in refugee settlements. Bernard Iga, UBC TV, Adjumani.